Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Electronics and Apple Tech Review. Today we are back with a new video which is about business ideas. As you know, previously I've been making these videos about business ideas, and today we are talking about the section of electronics. I've already made some videos about how to start up an electronics, capital required to start up an electronic shop. So you can go ahead and first watch those videos, or you can click on this playlist and first check on those videos. So today we are talking about electronics sections. So on those sections, I want to give you sections that you can start up with when you are starting up an electronics, and you know that you don't have enough capital. So let me give you those sections so that you can select which one you want to start up with, or you can start up with all if you know you're sure you have enough capital initial capital to start up with. So the first section is mobile phones. If you know you have enough capital, you can start up with phones, but as you know, these smartphones, they need a lot of capital to start up with. If you are buying like 10 to 20 phones, it will require you to start up with high capital, which is not like other businesses, as you know. Then we go on the section of accessories. This is the section that you cannot ignore when you are starting up an electronics. You have to make sure that you have to include accessories. What do I mean by accessories? Accessories, these are the phone parts, or you can call them like phone jackets, or phone covers. We have chargers. There are very many, but these are one of the things that you need to start up with, because they don't consume a lot of capital, or they don't require a lot of money when you are purchasing these items. Most of them, they are not expensive compared to other sections. Let's go ahead. We talk about like TVs or hoofers. That is the section that also requires high capital, same like phones, but these, they need to be included in electronics because they make the place look different, or look big, or look neat compared to other businesses. So please, you can consider accessories and accessories and TVs if you are sure you want to make your shop look as an electronic shop. Let's go ahead. We talk about electricals. Electricals here, I mean electrical installation, spares, the solar installation. We have wires, we have bulbs, there are so many. As I'm showing you the examples on the screen, you can also include these, because somehow if you did in few sections, it means you may end up losing some of the customers as well. So you need to include this section, because these are the things that sell daily. Electricals, like bulbs, they are things that get faulty every day. So if you know you want to sell, you want to have customers daily, make sure you include these things in your business. So again, we have kitchen electricals. Kitchen electricals, these things are so expensive. For example, we have fridge, we have gas cookers, such things. If you want, you have enough capital, you can include those things, but you can also include it as in the long run, but not when you are starting up. But as I said, if you have enough capital, you can include that section as well when you are starting. But if you don't have enough capital, you can just ignore it for the meantime. As you're growing, you can include it as well. So those are the sections that I can give you to deal in the start. If you know, you are sure these are the things that you want to start with. But if you have capital, include all those sections. But if you don't have capital, these are the things that you need to start up with. Accessories as in number one. Then you can put phones, just small phones, and TVs as in number three. Then you can put also electricals in number four. But TVs, these are things that you can just start up with smaller number, just few TVs as you go on. But electricals and these small phones that are cheap, you can start up with them. Then electricals as well, just make sure electricals is in number four, but you have to include it, as I said, if you want to sell daily as well. So those are the sections that I had for you today, and that is the business idea that I wanted to share with you today. So please, you can go ahead and watch other videos if you know you didn't watch them, or you can go ahead and subscribe not to miss such videos about business ideas. Also, we make videos about phones and the latest technology. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.